Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a reproducible environment. Install transformers and torch, then pin versions. Once done, load your labeled dataset and immediately split into train, validation, and test sets to avoid leakage. Next, initialize the Bert tokenizer and convert raw text into token ID, attention masks, and label ID. This prepares inputs for the model. Make sure to set a random seed and choose batch sizes now, because these choices affect training stability and how you'll build data loaders. You'll fine-tune Bert by loading a pre-trained sequence classification head and matching the output dimension to your labels. Then configure Atom W with a small learning rate, typically between 1E5 and 5E5, plus weight decay, and a linear warm-up scheduler to stabilize early updates. During training, use gradient accumulation if memory is limited and mixed precision to speed up steps. Once per epoch, run a validation loop computing loss and accuracy. Log metrics and save checkpoints when validation improves so you can resume or roll back. You finish by evaluating on the held-out test set. Calculate accuracy, precision, recall, and F1, and inspect a confusion matrix to find systematic errors. Next, save the tokenizer and model artifact. Consider torch script or oncs for faster inference, and wrap them in a predictable preprocessing/inference function. Deploy as a lightweight API or batch pipeline and monitor latency and prediction drift in production. If results are poor, retrain with more data, check label quality, or lower the learning rate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.